Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to check the layer in every line, center line, hidden line, and whatever give the line we will provide dimension, little line, text, everything when put down layer. Then after check out how to layer. So get start from this here. First of all, this is our object right now, and I have already set the different types of layer. This is object here, center line, dimension, hatching, hidden, little line. So how to set the layer? So when you go to LA, enter, and just go to LA, enter, and apply the layer. Also here the layer, when create the new layer, so right click and go to new layer, and right now text. When I set the text here, then also provide the color. So when you go to specific color in here and OK. So this is apply the color, different types of color also, and change the different color in dimension. OK, here. OK, right now, then yes and exit. So first of all, how to set the layer also? When you click this here, different types of layer when you set here. First of all, object here. When go to object, so every layer I have click this Control A, when I go to LA, enter, when I apply LA, enter, then select Control A, here select Control A, then off layer, all layer is off, then exit. Okay, our diagram is not whatever our diagram I have create, it's not showing the background. When I got this here, check the layer. This is the first layer in object. Every command is only one layer. So when I will go to shift in particular layer, so this is here, then I will go to select this dimension and click the layer, go to dimension. Same thing, I will click this line, whatever how much dimension it will provide. When go to check and provide check here and enter. So it is hide continuously for all dimension, and again I will go to check here and paste dimension. So whatever is there, every dimension is here. When you go to layer, dimension also, so how much dimension it will be provide, select and go to layer. So this is dimension here, and I want this is the hidden line. So this circle I use to hidden line. Okay, then this line is center line presentation. So click this, and when you go to center line, so like where is it? When you go to center line, this is center line, and again this one is totally object here. So already have a object. Right now I will click this text also. So when you go to text layer, so this is called text layer. When enter, if I provide the leader line, so LE enter, and when I give the leader here, this is called leader. This is a leader line actually. Do you want to write anything? So when you click the text, so this is the leader line. If I write anything, so when you provide the number of ballooning, so when you give that one number 0 1, it is the leader line presentation. And also again I will provide this dimension is also leader line. So this is again I will provide zero 2. So can you see this here, the leader line, and I want select this both of us, both diagram, and go to leader line. Here the leader line, so it is enter. Then this is the all diagram is object. So go to object here, right? Then if I hide the object line, is totally hide. When I open this center line, it is come to center line. See this here, this is called center line. Then again I go to center line hide when you come to dimension only. So look at this, all dimension is here. Look at this, every dimension is come from this background. So it means this is a dimension right now. When again I will hide the dimension and show the hidden line. So this is called hidden line. If you look at this here, this is the hidden line also. When again hidden line hide, go to leader line. So this is the leader line, 1 number and 2 number. Then also exit hidden line, leader line, then enter the text. So our text is 2 types, elevation and plan view. So now everything is according to layer and according to thickness. Every layer is different thickness available. So when you show the all diagram in one time, so how is it? If you click this 1 2 3 4, just like you click every light, then after show you. Otherwise if you not show every rectangle, so everything is hide, then how is it come to one time and direct? So when you click the LA enter, then this is click any layer and Control A you can select all and go to yes. This is everything is open in one time. So just like it is good for designing and good for mention is all diagram and better presentation. So today has completed this session and thank you for watching.